Hello traders, let's have a market updates for today, January 13, 2025. Start na tayo dito sa gold. Looking at the weekly time frame, bullish pa rin naman. So because of the series of higher highs and higher lows, and also kita naman natin na nagkaroon na naman ng move to the upside. So currently, ang price ngayon ay nasa retracement, okay? And if you want to measure the retracement, we can use the fib from this low to the high. And just recently nga, no, nagkaroon na dito ng reaction in between sa 38.2 and 50% level ng fib. So, mayroon na naman possibility na magkaroon or mag-establish ng another higher high. Okay? 2. Okay, let's check also the daily. Okay, so dito sa daily time frame, mas kita na nagkaroon talaga tayo ng pullback and itong level na to ay hindi niya na-break. Instead, nagkaroon ulit ng move to the upside. Okay? So, ibig sabihin malakas talaga itong level na to and dinedefend talaga ng mga buyers. So, if we will go down to the H1 time frame, wherein dito tayo maghahanap ng ating trade setup. So, kita naman natin, no, ang EMA 200 ay pointing upward na. Magandang confluence din to na talagang bullish ang momentum ni gold. Alright? Also, nagkakaroon na talaga ng series of higher highs and higher lows. Okay? So, ako dito ako mag-aabang ng aking trade sa area na yan. Dahil previous resistance yan, and then nag-act as support, possible na i-test niya ulit itong area na to. Okay? This would be my setup for today or for the week. Alright? And then, let's move on to Euro-USD. Here naman kay Euro-USD weekly time frame. So, clearly dito sa weekly time frame ay downtrend ang Euro-USD. Okay? And currently nga, no, na-break niya na naman itong strong level of support na to. Okay? So, with this, syempre, mas high probability kapag ang hahanapin natin ay mga sell opportunity. Pero definitely we can also look for a buy opportunity or long opportunity. Pero remember na dapat ay quick trades lang. Okay? Daily time frame, ang price is now sitting at previous resistance to. Yan, so nasa crucial level siya kasi we have to observe kung mag-a-act ito as support. Okay? Kita naman natin dito historically, no? Nung na-reach niya itong level na to, hindi niya na ni-respect as resistance. Instead ay nagkaroon na ng move to the upside. Okay? Crucial yung level ngayon. Okay? Kailangan talaga i-observe natin ang magiging price behavior around this area. Alright, and then H1 time frame. Yan, so sobrang downtrend pa rin naman, okay? Yan, so mas safe pa rin talaga na maghanap ng mga sell opportunities. Okay, so maybe my plan for today or for the week is itayin kung i-retest itong level na to. Pwede natin extend ang ating zone hanggang dito sa may 50% level ng fib. Okay, so that would be my level for today and for the week. Okay. So, maganda talaga dito, magkaroon dito ng pin bar or any rejection candle para makapag-sell tayo rito, okay? And then, for the last pair, GBP-USD. Okay, so dito sa weekly time frame, we look closely, no? Nung nagkaroon dito ng move to the downside, niretest niya rin, tapos, ayun, bumaba na siya, okay? Currently, ay naririto na siya sa first target sana natin kasi previous support yan. Possible na magkaroon na rin dyan ng reaction to the upside. Pero remember, meron pa tayong level dito. Okay? Looking at the daily time frame, very aggressive talaga ang mga sellers. Pinush ang price to the downside. Observe natin siya today. So, looking left kasi, di ba, dito sa area na to, ang maraming liquidity grab. Okay? Sa trader, syempre, kailangan ay careful tayo kasi hindi naman ganun kalaki ang capital natin as compared sa mga big institutions. Okay? Let's check the H1 time frame kung saan dito tayo magte-trade. Dahil downtrend siya, so it's very safe na maghanap lang tayo ng mga selling opportunities. Okay? So, intayin natin na magkaroon ng pullback. If ever, pag nagkaroon ulit ng retest dito sa area ng from 50% to 61.8%, pwede tayong mag-sell dyan if merong confirmation. Okay? So, ayun lang. And siyempre, dapat lagi natin i-follow ang ating risk management plan. So, remember, risk management is not optional, no? It is essential. Ibig sabihin, importante itong risk management na to sa atin as forex traders. So, yun lang. Ayoko, marami ulit kayong natutunan sa video nito. Bye-bye!